hot. It looks yummy though. I got a package. I've been excited for this. Also, Hannah convinced me to get this. Hers looks really good. It is spicy chicken flavor ramen. I thought it was supposed to be cheesy. Maybe I'm supposed to add the cheese myself. Oh yeah, it says cheese. Anyway, I've been excited to try this. I'm gonna make it right now. And hopefully I like it because I have a lot of it now. I'm just like standing here waiting for my water to boil because I'm excited. Have you ever watched water boil before, Ricky?
Water doesn't boil if you watch it. That's the rule.
Oh. My water is... My water's boiling. We lost a few noodles. Okay, we got our little sauce packet here, I guess. And spicy chicken flavor. Okay. It says we're supposed to cook this for 5 minutes. Okay, let's set a timer. It just occurred to me that I might need more directions here. Oh, I ripped the directions. Oh, I have a new one. Okay, I haven't even taken my jacket off yet. That's how I was so excited to come home to this package. Okay, please remain 8 tablespoons of water, which is like half a cup, right? Why don't they just say half a cup? Add the cheese, the sauce, and cheese powder. Stir well and serve. I think I'm just gonna add half of this spicy packet to start when this is done. We got a couple more minutes on it. This is almost done, so I'm going to take out half a cup of this liquid. It's my timer. I never make ramen. I feel like one packet's not very much pasta. I mean, let's see. This is the cheese, I think. That in here too. And then I'm doing half of this sauce packet because I don't know how spicy it is. And I don't like super spicy things. And then I think I'm going to get some regular cheese too to put in here. I feel like this is too liquidy. Alright, cheese. I wish I wouldn't have added all of the liquid back in. I don't know, maybe it'll thicken as it cools. I feel like I made this all wrong. We're gonna give it a try. I did add another handful of cheese. It's like very cheesy now. Why do I feel like everybody else's looked way better than this? Maybe not. Maybe mine does look pretty darn good. I hope this isn't super spicy. It's spicy. I'm glad that I didn't put it all in there. Whew, because I feel like half of it was pretty spicy in itself. Trying to decide if I like this. I'm also not a pasta person. Probably gonna be like the first person that doesn't like this. I'm very curious if my husband's gonna like this. I'm torn. It's okay. Maybe if I loved pasta, I would like it. I'll try this. Come try it. Don't judge the happy Halloween back there. What do you think? It's meh.
Meh.
I think it's meh too. And I feel like out of all the videos of this pasta I've seen, I feel like everybody loves it. Meh. My kids all tried it. It was a no from everybody.